My dear students, in continuation of our yesterday's examples regarding unit step function, you might have seen the formula regarding unit step function in the previous class. Now we shall go for the same with the working procedure. Step type number 1, to find L of f of t, here f is the capital f of t into u of t minus a, where f of t is a polynomial in t. Refer here, capital F of t is a polynomial. I mean t square, t cube, t to the power 4, root t, like this. Then step 1, let f of t is equal to f of t minus a. We need to put f of t minus a, f of t is equal to what? F of t minus a, which implies that f of t plus a is equal to f of t. That is what t is replaced by t plus a. Okay. That is to replace t by t plus a to obtain f of t, and find now L of f of t is equal to f of s. I mean the given function L of f of t is equal to f of t minus a. Okay, how to get f of t? Replace t by t plus t by t plus a. Therefore, L of f of t is equal to f of s. This small f of t is taken from capital F of t, where t is replaced by t plus a. Refer here. This is very important step. Step number 2. L of f of t into u of t minus a equal to L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a. Now I am using the small f. Small f is the Laplace of the given function. This term is equal to e to the power minus s into f of s. This is fixed one, e to the power minus s. If the given expression is in this form, then the result will be e to the power minus as into f of s. What is f of s? The given f of t, Laplace of the f of t. Next, given type 2. Given f of t as a discontinuous function, I mean other than polynomial, like sin t, cos t, e to the power t, and so on. To find L of f of t by expressing f of t in terms of unit step function. What is the procedure? Step number 1, we express f of t in terms of unit step function in this manner. I mean the type 1, step 1, by directly making use of the result on the case may be. I mean case may be means what? Whether it is a polynomial or discontinuous function. Then find L of f of t in the type 1. Find L of f of t in the procedure has to be followed from the type 1. Let me take one simple example. Find the Laplace transformation of e to the power t minus 1 plus sin of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Therefore, refer here whether it is in the standard form. Whatever t minus 1 present here, t minus 1 present here, the same t minus 1 replaced by represented by u of t minus 1. Refer, this is very important step. That's why I choose on this example. Then L of f of t minus 1 is equal to the bracketed term e to the power t minus 1 plus sin of t minus 1. What shall we do? Again the type 1, replace t by t plus a. What is a here? A is equal to 1. If it is t minus 1, a is equal to 1. Suppose if it is t plus 1, it will be a is equal to what? Minus 1. Keep your mind. Okay. Therefore, f of t is equal to what? E to the power t into plus sin t. Replacing t by t plus 1, this term will be t to the e to the power t plus sin t. Find its Laplace transformation by your usual procedure. You might have known. Therefore, L of f of t minus 1, u of t minus 1 equal to e to the power minus s into f of s. I am writing here separately a is equal to 1. Then the Laplace will be, what shall we have seen? We have seen what? E to the power minus a into f of s. The same thing. A is equal to what? 1. Therefore, e to the power minus s into f of s. F of s means what? The Laplace of the given f of t. Okay. Next step. F of t minus pi is equal to sin t. Then f of t is equal to what? T is replaced by t plus a. Therefore, sin of t plus pi, that is sin of 180 plus theta is what? Minus sin theta using ASTC rule. Therefore, it is minus sin t. Therefore, f of s equal to L of minus sin t, minus 1 upon s square plus 1. Therefore, the Laplace will be what? E to the power minus as into f of s. Okay, that's practice purpose we have taken. Next example, f of t minus a, this term is equal to t square minus 6t plus 9 into e to the power minus t 3 minus 3 into u of t minus 3. Can you give me the value of a? Yes, a is equal to 3. Then this is what the first two terms shall be keep in the bracket, I mean the square bracket, and outside it is u of t minus a. Okay, you are getting my point? Yes, this much. Therefore, t square minus 6t plus 9 into e to the power minus t3. We have, for this is f of t minus a. Keep here. What is a? A is equal to 3. Therefore, I replace t by t plus 3. This term is equal to t square into e to the power minus t. Replacing t by t plus 3 and so on. T square minus 6t plus 9 is what? T minus 3 bracket square. That's how I return. There is no other thing. Then f of s equal to what? Laplace of this function, product of two terms, t square e to the power minus t. This result is taken from shifting property. Okay. Therefore, 2 factorial divided by s plus 1 bracket cube. Therefore, L of f of t minus 3 into u of t minus 3 is equal to e to the power minus as into f of s. What is a? A is equal to 3. I am writing here. Therefore, what is f of s? 2 upon s plus 1 bracket cube into e to the power minus as. I mean a is equal to 3. Next, this is f of t is equal to, it's a bifurcated function t when 0 is less than t is less than 4, 5 t is greater than 4. Therefore, we have given what is f of t, Laplace of t when it has been bifurcated, f1 of t plus f2 of t. Just see the property in the previous class. Therefore, what is f1 of t? T. What is f2 of t? 5. Therefore, by the construction of the property number by bifurcated function, therefore f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. T minus a. What is a here? A is equal to 4. How it is the to get the value of a? A is taken from end point of the given interval, whatever it may be in this function. Therefore, L of f of t is equal to what? T is replaced by t plus a. Therefore, L of t, it is no change. L of f5 minus t into u of t minus 4. Therefore, we shall find the L of each function. This addition of two functions refer here. L of f1 of t plus L of f2 minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. A is equal to 4. Therefore, the first Laplace of the first function, it is 1 upon a square. Then to go to the second function, you just observe here in the first function I am not replacing t by t plus 5 or t minus 4 or t plus 4, whatever it may be, because this is not in the unit step function. The function is set to unit function is when if it is a multiple of u of t minus a, refer here. This is unit step function. This is only the same, I mean the simple Laplace function. Therefore, L of f of t is equal to 1 upon s square. Then L of t minus 4 is equal to 5 minus t. Then yes, now t is replaced by t plus 4. The actual procedure I am adopting. Therefore, after simplification, it will be 1 minus t. Therefore, f of s equal to L of f of t. That is, Laplace of 1 minus t will be what? 1 upon s minus 1 upon s square. Therefore, this is e to the power minus 4 into f of s, e to the power minus as into f of s. Therefore, e to the power minus 4s into 1 upon s minus 1 upon s square. Refer this example as a very, very important, which is taken from one of the old question paper. This is specific example because it has been bifurcated in this manner. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದು my